Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how to order using my Siomai King Shoplink. First, click the shop link and you will be redirected to this site or page. Next, look for your location. And since our client is from Lipa City, let's look for Lipa City. As you can see, our products are available nationwide in the Philippines. By the way, I am in Japan now, and even if you are living outside the Philippines just like me, and you want to send your family or loved ones some food items from Siomai King, Boy Bondat, Siopaw the King, Potato King, Burger Factory, Cotton Yings, and Mang Box, you can order using our shop link and have it delivered to your loved ones in the Philippines. Now we will order. Just click add to the items that you want, and once you're done, go to the cart and double check the items that you added in your cart. Make sure that they are all correct. Once you've checked them all, fill out the digital form or shipping details. Again, double check the info that you will put to avoid any inconvenience after. After that, you will be redirected to the payment page. There are many payment methods to choose from. I will pay via Dragon Pay, so I will click the OTC non-bank and choose Dragon Pay option. After this, Dragon Pay will send me an email and the instruction. I will just click the link provided and it will redirect me to the procedure. Dragon Pay will also send an email stating that the payment is a success once the payment is done. House of Franchise and JC Premier will also send an email to me stating that the payment is successful. After this, the client will just wait for the delivery. By the way guys, we are open for franchise. Just send me an email or PM me for inquiries and details. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.